Hello, my name is Paul Gregory, a Senior Customer Success Manager at Skillable. Having delivered the Introduction to Cloud Labs workshop in April, which introduced Cloud Labs and how to set them up on the Skillable platform and create the subscription pools, I would like to tell you about the next workshop in the Summer of Cloud series. The Azure Cloud Slice Deep Dive Lab Developer Workshop will focus on Azure-based labs. During this session, we will cover all the cloud settings in our lab profile and explore the creation of resource templates, including passing data in from the lab instance, as well as the important security policies. I hope you can join me for this workshop on the 30th of June. And just a little reminder, if you did not attend the April workshop, please watch the recording in the event registration confirmation to ensure you are fully prepared for the June event. Thank you again. I look forward to seeing you as part of the Summer of Cloud.